There are some benefits of ledger approach which you can be interested to know. So first, there is no change to chart of accounts. So you don't have to do it if you are using ledger approach. Secondly, only the leading ledger 0L posts to controlling. Minimum one retained earnings account is needed for all GAAPs. You don't have to create multiple retained earnings account to do that. Only one retained earning account can be enough. Relevance of postings for local or international GAAP specified at the document level. So that is a benefit of using ledger approach. The next is ledger approach provides standard financial statement definition.